Good morning. Good morning, good people. I hope everybody's morning is going okay. So today I like to say welcome first. Today I am going to be trying the Regina King braids. I'm not sure if you guys got a chance to see her braids when she was on, I think it was Jimmy Kimmel show, but her braids were absolutely stunning. I loved her braids, and so I went to social media to see, did I see anyone with the braids or tutorial or anything like that? And I didn't see anything. So today I am going to be attempting that hairstyle. I already washed my hair, and so now I just got to condition and blow dry it just a little bit. I don't want it blow dry too much. So this is the conditioner that I'll be using in my hair to it's leave-in conditioner, and so I'll be blow drying my hair and getting started on the style. So won't you guys join me, and let's see how this style gonna come out on me. Okay, y'all. So I finished conditioning, blow drying my hair, and I even greased my scalp. I'm old school. I'm a grandmother, so hey, I still grease my scalp. So this is my parting, and I really couldn't tell from the pictures how Regina had her hair in the back. I'm just guesstimating that it was something like this here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next step. Y'all see that fine piece of art right there? He see it too. Yes, it is my braiding stand. I made it myself. I already know y'all clutching y'all pearls. I'm a genius, but I have to pick my poison since I have to buy these right here too. And we all know that these are costing a lick right now. So braiding stand, hey, get frugal with it. If y'all need my help, let me know. I'll make y'all one too. Just have to do this last side right here. And so what I do, like at the end of my hair, I put this here hair grease. I take it and I just put it on my ends right there, and just make sure that that part is moisturized. And I just braid this here side because I believe Regina had 3 braids over here on this side here. And I am super tired. I think I am going into number, I think number 5 hours of doing this hair. And this is the hair that I'm using, and it's some other hair, that little blonde that you see. I got that off of Amazon probably like 2 years ago, so I'm using that hair also. So I'm just gonna continue just braiding this hair down. I did get a chance to finish my hair. I hope you guys like it. I tried my hardest to get it close to Regina's style, so I hope y'all like this style. Let me show y'all the back. Can't really see if it's fixed up right now, but this is the back of the hairstyle. So what do y'all think? Let me know. And the braiding stand, if anybody want one, holla at your girl. I can get you one going. We gonna make it over Zoom. I'll just tell you what to go get, but give my shouts out if y'all need one. I'll see y'all in the next video, and thank y'all for joining. And don't forget to subscribe.